If you want to add a Google Map in Elementor without coding, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you a simple step-by-step method using the built-in Google Maps widget so you can place a map on your page in just a few minutes. This is great for contact pages, business locations, service areas, and any website that needs a clean, professional map display. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more Elementor tutorials, website design tips, and WordPress walkthroughs. It really helps the channel grow, and it lets me keep making more helpful videos for you. Alright, let's get started. First, open the page you want to edit in Elementor. Once the editor loads, you'll want to add a new section or container where the map will go. To do that, click the plus icon on the canvas. Elementor will show you the layout options, and for a map, a single column container is usually the best choice. It keeps the map centered, clean, and easy to control. Now select your container structure. If you want the map to stretch across the page, choose a full width layout. If you want it to sit neatly inside a content area, use a centered container with padding around it. This step matters because the layout you choose will affect how the map looks on desktop and mobile. Next, on the left-hand panel, click the grid icon to open the widget library. In the search bar, type Google Maps. Elementor will show the Google Maps widget right away. This is the easiest way to add a map because you do not need to install extra plugins or write any custom code. Once you see the widget, simply drag and drop it into your container. As soon as you place it on the page, Elementor will load the default map preview. From here, you can start customizing it to show the exact location you want. Now go to the Content tab in the left-hand settings panel. This is where you control the map details. In the location field, type the address, business name, or place you want to display. For example, you can enter a street address, a city, or even a well-known business location. Elementor will automatically update the map to match that spot. After that, adjust the zoom setting. This controls how close or far the map appears. If you want visitors to see a wider area, use a lower zoom level. If you want the map to focus tightly on the exact building or street, increase the zoom. A good zoom setting can make a big difference in how useful the map is for your visitors. Then check the height setting. This lets you control how tall the map box appears on the page. If the height is too small, the map can feel cramped. If it's too large, it may overpower the rest of the page. The goal is to make it fit naturally with your design, so adjust it until it looks balanced. You can also review the spacing around the widget to make sure it sits nicely with the rest of your content. If your page has text, contact forms, or buttons nearby, give the map a little breathing room so everything looks polished and easy to read. A clean layout always improves the user experience. Once you're happy with the location, zoom, and height, take a final look at the map preview. Make sure it points to the correct place, and then it matches the style of your page. This is a good moment to test how it looks on different screen sizes too, because maps should still be easy to use on mobile devices. When everything looks good, go to the top right corner of the Elementor editor and click Publish. That saves your changes and makes the map live on your website. If you're editing an existing page, you may see Update instead of Publish, but the process is the same. Click it to confirm your changes. And that's it. You've now added a Google Map in Elementor using the built-in widget. It's fast, simple, and perfect for adding location details to your website without any coding at all. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more Elementor how-to tutorials, and leave a comment if you want me to cover more WordPress design tips next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.